Morning. If you've made your way to this video recording, you are interested in learning more about how to do an advanced Google search. The way to do this on a desktop computer is to come down here to Settings and click on Advanced Search. But before I go there, if you are using an iPad, in your top right corner you should see a little wheel that has like spikes on it, like a bicycle cog, and that's where you go to find Advanced Search. So I'm going to go into Advanced Search. Okay, and there's a lot of ways, different ways that you can do an advanced search. If you look over here to the right, you can say all of these words, or this exact word or phrase, or any of these words, etc., etc. And you can narrow further down here by language, region, update, last update, site or domain, etc. I'm going to show you a real simple way to do this. Let's say I'm researching the Battle of Bull Run in the Civil War. So I'm just going to find a website that is focused on that. So I'm just going to put Battle of Bull Run up here in all of these words. And I'm going to put it down here in any of these words as well, because if any part of that, like if a page is just called Bull Run, it'll bring it up because it has any of this grouping of words in it. And then if I come down further, the other important place to filter through is the site or domain. And Miss Kelly and I have talked a lot about filtering sites by a .edu or a .gov or a .org, and this is how you narrow it. So if I'm looking for a .edu site, I simply put .edu in here, okay? And then I just go down to the bottom and click Advanced Search, and it's going to bring up websites that are .edus. You'll see Furman.edu, Furman again .edu. If you scroll down, you have OSU.edu. That doesn't just mean that they're all absolutely legitimate, but they will be for the most part. You just have to kind of go through that secondary check of, well, I happen to know that Furman is a reputable university, but not all of them will be, and so you're going to have to do a little bit of research there. But that's how you essentially do the filtered search. If I go back, the same works for a .gov. What it's going to do is search for the same grouping of words, but they're all going to be .gov sites, and you'll see that right there. Each of the locations are .gov, and the same holds true for a .org site. So that's essentially a reminder of how you go through and filter by more legitimate sites such as .edu, .gov, or .org. If you have any additional questions, just let Miss Kelly or I know.